Six Flags St. Louis introduces the new state-of-the-art 3D interactive dark ride experience, Justice League: Battle for Metropolis. The Justice League has been compromised. Green Lantern, Wonder Woman, The Flash, and Supergirl have been captured. Metropolis needs your help to battle these evil villains and free the Justice League. Justice League: Battle for Metropolis, launching in 2015.
Hello, Coaster fans. This is the Coaster Man 900, and today we have another analysis. This is for Justice League: Battle for Metropolis. Now, this is pretty much an interactive dark ride with 6 passenger vehicles and 3D classes and a fake stun gun. And there's animatronics and special effects. It's going to be really cool. It's coming to Six Flags St. Louis and Six Flags Over Texas. So that is going to be a very cool ride. What are my thoughts on the ride? I think it's going to be amazing. I think it's going to be easily the best dark ride Six Flags has installed. Actually, I think this might even be the first one that I've installed. Anyways, so, yeah, I can't wait to see a POV of this ride. It's going to be really cool. I love how it's interactive. I love how it's 3D. That's going to be really cool. So, yeah, anyways, I will see you guys next time. Hope you've enjoyed the video, and bye.